how to use two Apple IDs on iPhone. Now if you go back to your home screen and open up settings, in settings at the top here you can sign into your iCloud account using the first Apple ID. So here in this Apple ID, if you sign into iCloud, it will allow you to access photos, drive, password. All of these are stored in iCloud. And basically the second Apple ID, you can use that with, say, media purchases. So you can see here I have my Apple account signed in as a different email address. And here I've got media and purchases signed in as a different account. So what you can do is you can sign out and then tap on sign out. And you can see when I sign out of media and purchases, I'm still signing into my Apple account with the original ID. So here I can tap on that and then tap on not that account, and then you can enter in a different Apple ID. Now this will apply the same to, say, messages. So if we go into apps, so in here if we go back into settings and then into messages, it will be the same. So you'll be able to sign to messages and FaceTime with a different account. So for FaceTime, in here we can turn it on, and here tap on use Apple account and then tap on use other Apple account. So here you can sign in a different account for FaceTime or iMessages. So for a second Apple ID, it can be applied to FaceTime, iMessages, media purchases, App Store, and so on. So therefore you can use two Apple IDs on your iPhone, one for the iCloud and the other one for purchases or FaceTime. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.